Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok beauty mode not working in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this problem, first of all open App Store and then here search TikTok. Now check if your TikTok app is updated to the latest version or not. So if your TikTok app is not updated, then first of all update it, and after updating, if it's still not working properly, then open the TikTok app and here click on this profile icon. Then click on this three dot icon on the top and here click on settings and privacy. Now here scroll down and click on report a problem and then click on videos and sounds. Now here click on video shooting and scroll down, then click on others. Now here click on no and then click on need more help. Now here type beauty mode is not working on iPhone, please fix this error, and after typing click on submit. Now you can see the error is report is submitted. So now the TikTok app will fix this error. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.